Hey everybody, Anthony is super busy this week, so he's not going to make the show. But we just finished up our live content announcements for the month, so we've got a lot to talk about. This is the Linux Academy Weekly Update. Now, before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. Earlier in the month, Anthony James actually launched a new How to Use Linux Academy course, so be sure to check that one out. Next up in the live stream, we had Chad Crowell announcing the Microsoft Azure Infrastructure and Deployment Exam AZ100. Next up, we had Mark Richmond launching the Amazon EKS Deep Dive, followed up by the AWS Certified Big Data Specialty course. And we've got new hands-on labs for this now. Next up was Craig Akuri with Introduction to Cloud Migration using Amazon Web Services. Then we had Justin Mitchell launching Cloud Security Fundamentals. Next up, Airman launched the Kali Linux Deep Dive, which is a really cool one, you ought to check that out. Bob Salmons then launched the COMPTIA PENTEST Plus certification course. Then Miles came in at the end of our first live show and launched the HADOOP Quick Start. Then in our next live show, Travis Thompson launched the Monitoring Kubernetes with Prometheus course. Kenny Armstrong launched the Linux Operating Systems Fundamentals course, and another Fundamentals course coming from Michael Christian with the Network Subnetting Fundamentals course. And then L. Kraut came in with the Puppet Quick Start. Keith Thompson launching the System Tooling with Go. Stosh Oldham launching Ansible Quick Start, and also the Git Quick Start course. Matt Ulason back at it again with the Google Cloud Concepts course. Joseph Lowery with the Google Cloud Functions course. Eric Frick, Migrating Virtual Machines and Databases to Google Cloud. Adrian Cantrill launched the Certified Solutions Architect Professional. This one's in an early launch, so just know that it's preview. On the final stream for the month, James Lee launched the AZ300 Exam Prep course for Azure. Michael Haidt launched the AZ203 Microsoft Azure Developer Core Solutions course. El Marquez launched the Docker Quick Start. Michael McLaren launched the Kubernetes Quick Start. Will Boyd came in with Kubernetes Essentials. We have Matthew Pearson launching Learn Microservices by Doing. Treva Williams released the Launch Your First OpenShift Operator course. John Marks launched the Cloud Migration Fundamentals course. And last but not least, Adrian Cantrill launched the Amazon LIGHTSAL Deep Dive. Make sure you subscribe to be notified of our next live content launch coming in April. Also, click the link to our blog to start diving into all of this new content.